And in front of me is ALCATEL 1 from 2022, and let me show you how to check total screen time on this device. So at first, unroll the list of all apps, go to settings then. Now find and select digital wellbeing and parental controls. And just tap on your digital wellbeing tools. Right here you've got the statistics regarding your device. If you'll tap on it again, you'll be able to reach some further info. So just give it a sec. So here you can go back in your days of usage, and a bit lower you've got statistics for each app of yours. Right here, as you can see, even those which were not been in use are included here. So this is the dashboard which you can reach easily. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.